I'm only doing this for my sister. She told me I had to. Allison is making everyone coffee. And I'm gonna give everyone a pack of emergency because I am my mother's daughter. And I take these with me everywhere I go. But it's just kind of smart to have one because we're all in Vegas, which is just a cesspool of germs and things. But not only are we in Vegas, we're in Vegas at a music festival where everyone is just on top of each other. So they're gonna drink it whether they want to or not.
I'm my mother's daughter. It's not gonna be happening. I hate emergency.
Is it a mimosa?
No. It might be better if it was a mimosa. Vitamin C boost.
Vitamin C boost.
I take multivitamins.
Yeah. Well, this is better. It's not good, but make it fast.
Yummy. Gross. That's the saddest fucking thing I've ever seen.
What is it? People in the pool already?
That's pathetic. No, it's the horses in captivity walking their sad little...
Are they in the ring?
They're in the merry-go-round, sadly pushing it.
Ugh. Yeah, I hate that.
That's their stables for the fucking Night of Kings or whatever show that they do here. Yeah.
Well...
That's where they live.
Yep.
Look how sad in their concrete jungle. When we were listening to All Time Low, when they were like, all the bands here are super great. Well, maybe except for a few.
We're not gonna talk about it. Yeah. Who
We're
was it?
Talking about We the Kings.
Really?
Because they have beef.
I did catch that and I was like, whoop!
Yeah.
The girls are fighting! The girls are fighting!
It doesn't want to do 160.
This one is calling my name. Do it. She put her player's card in and got another bonus. She's currently on 10 of 12 and has won like $290. I'm so proud of you.
Where's my pretty fly guys out there tonight, huh? Oh, they're all pretty fly. You know, Noodle, I thought last night's crowd was pretty good, Noodles, but this night's crowd is fucking off the hook right now. Way better tonight. I know. Well, check it out. No wonder they're so crazy. Listen to these guys. Listen how crazy loud they are over here when we get over here. And there's a whole bunch of people in the very, very back. I can't even see them, but I know they're back there because I can hear them. Fuck yeah!
Never on 13, but they grew up 31. 35 for a white guy.
touch you for 3 more minutes. What you decide to do with those 3 minutes is completely up to you. You can sit back, take it easy, drink your fucking beer, or you can wake the fuck up, cause some chaos, and lose your mind one more time with us. The choice is yours, motherfucker. So far, Las Vegas has never let me down other than the casino. This is your time! Wake the fuck up! Bring it in. The time is up. There's no return. Fuck them all! Watch the burn! We're not done yet, motherfucker!
What is it? Carne asada fries.
He doesn't look like a man anymore.
Do you think we liked it?
Yeah, it was alright.
Fucking killed it, dude. We have 6 pierogies.
Alright.
3 of them are chicken.
Good to see you all.
3 of them are potato and cheese. Grilled.
And it's a roulette?
Yep. Burnt onions,
Okay.
but I like them burnt. And garlic butter.
Garlic butter looks yummy. It smells incredible.
Yeah. This looks so good. I thought it was cheese. No, it's a hot dog. It's yummy. So apparently everyone has the same idea to leave before panic even goes on. This is gonna be miserable. One last weird water for the road. I'm sporting my new merch and my bracelets. It is the day that we leave Vegas, but I had so much fun for my first music festival. I'll get the recap from Sis and Austin a little bit later. They're in their room. We're trying to get everything out so we can hightail it back home.
We leaving.
I'm ready to see my pigs.
You ready to go home? Did you have so much fun?
So much fun. I can't wait for next year.
It was great.
Yeah.
I just get tired of hotel rooms after like a
Do
day
you
and a
really?
half.
Do you
I
really?
know, at least Vegas,
Yeah.
but
I took apart the pillows to see what brand they are.
Ooh.
They're like $80 a pillow.
Oh.
They're from Westex and
I could fit it
Sobel.
in my fucking bag.
I almost tried.
Did you really?
I did.
say one of those
I wanted to
beach
smush
bags.
it into my suitcase. I was so tempted to.
We probably could have fit it in our Adidas duffels.
But then would they
That's
charge
fine.
me?
Probably.
You think so?
I
What if I
don't
called and
know.
like asked for more pillows?
Extra pillows.
And then they wouldn't know.
Yeah, that's what you need to do.
Bring an extra suitcase just to stash the pillows.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
resort style pillows. I really wanted them.
yeah.
Okay.
You're not wrong.
They're so nice.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Vegas. Goodbye, room. I had so much fun. Fuck whatever drink this is. This is staying here.